Remember when planning a vacation meant flipping through 1,000 brochures and hoping for the best? Well, those days are gone. Since the pandemic, travel has taken on a whole new vibe, and so have we. We're not just about booking flights and hotels anymore. Think of us as your travel gurus, your adventure architects, your vacation VIPs. We've upped our game with more education, more experience, and a whole lot more fun. And we've got a soft spot for our senior travelers. We know that travel should be as easy as it is exciting, so we take care of all the nitty-gritty details, leaving you to enjoy the journey. John and Mary were celebrating their 40th anniversary and wanted a special cruise. We suggested a Mediterranean voyage and even arranged a private cooking class with a chef in Italy. It was the highlight of their trip. Now they're already planning their next cruise with us. Travel is supposed to be exciting, not exhausting. We're here to make sure your vacation is all about the good stuff, exploring new places, making memories, and maybe even trying something new. We're all about making travel stress-free and full of joy. Need a private transfer? Done. Special diet? Consider it handled. Stuck with a travel hiccup? We've got your back, so you can keep having fun. Ready to plan your next big adventure? Give us a call at Infinity Fun and Travel. We'll make sure it's the trip of a lifetime, minus the headaches. Traveling with us means less worry and more wonder. So why stress when you can let us handle the heavy lifting? Infinity Fun and Travel. We make travel as fun as it should be. Please like and subscribe to get more of Susan's travel hacks.